Hello friends, in this video we intend to recharge the account via TRC20 Tether in the Deriv Broker. Once we enter the trading cabin in this broker, as you can see, this section guides you to recharge your account. We click on the Deposit Now option and we select the desired currency for recharging the account in this section. Our desired currency is TRC20 Tether. After selecting it, we click on the Continue option. A page will open for you displaying a QR code for the deposit. Please note that this QR code is for one-time use only, and you won't be able to use this QR code for future deposits. And the minimum deposit amount in this broker is $50. After completing the necessary steps on your mobile wallet, as you can see, your account has been recharged. We return to the trading cabin, and as you can see, the amount has increased in this section. And you can go to the Profile option, and from the Report section, select Statement. You can review the details of your transaction history. In future videos, we will go through the steps of depositing and withdrawing using different methods. Be successful and profitable.